guys, welcome to this week's episode of Crushing with Mike and Bennie, all the way from India. We've had the privilege of having Amit, our host this week, to take us around their facilities. Amit and Bennie, over to you. Behind us we've got 400, 600 crushers. If we can just hear a little bit about them.
Welcome viewers. It's a genuine pleasure to have Mike and Bennie all the way from South Africa to here in India. They are always welcome. This is their second home now, and yes, so we are delighted to have them here, and with the expertise that Mike and Bennie hold this project, specifically the two machines what you see here are the 400 by 600 job boxes. These machines have been specifically designed after inputs from Bennie and Mike here. They came to us and they told us that there's a big issue with availability of the parts. So while designing the machine, we made sure that these jaw crushers have common jaw plates. This is a one-of-a-kind design. These jaw crushers have a common fix and swing jaw plates, making the inventory much lesser at the site. So you can either have one jaw and fit it onto the fix or onto the swing location of the jaw, making this machine unique and very, very easy to maintain, especially for the African market.
Amit, thanks. Bennie, any comments?
No, Mike, it's like we say, where a guy normally uses 4 liners, at the moment he just needs 3. While he's maybe just waiting for the next bed to come, you can actually turn it. The main thing that I've discussed with him is once the liners are like this, you turn them together on the other side so the meshing keeps on the same. So they mesh in the same way, and basically if your liners have turned this way, your liner, basically the two crushers here are working as a set. So the one liner can go from one machine to the other machine as long as you turn them directly in the same direction. So it saves on space.
Amit, Bennie, thanks very much. Well, there you have it, guys, all the way from India.